मेरा नाम विजय पहलवान है.
My name is Vijay Pahalwan. I am 39 and I live in Asola Fatehpur Berry on the outskirts of Delhi.
हाँ जी, ये असोला फतेहपुर गांव पहलवानों के लिए बहुत मशहूर गांव है.
This village is famous for its wrestlers. Wrestling runs in our blood.
मैं ओलंपिक से एक मेडल लाना चाहता था.
I wanted to be an Olympian, but my father died, and that shattered my Olympic dream. I was very young and had to leave school and also my wrestling career to support my family. I started a wrestling pit here to train young boys. We follow a strict regime. We exercise daily and eat healthy. Our diet has vegetables, fruits, butter, and lots of milk.
2000 के आसपास क्लबों का दौर आया.
About 10 years ago, a lot of nightclubs and pubs opened in Delhi. That's where I found work as a bouncer. Then there were more clubs, which needed more bouncers. I have helped more than 100 young boys from the village to earn a living through this profession.
तो वहाँ पे शुरू में तो हमें कुछ अजीबोगरीब लगा.
The two worlds I experienced don't meet. I have never touched alcohol and meat in my life. In the clubs, I see not only men but also women drinking alcohol. Young kids can be seen smoking and drinking.
मेरे परिवार में मैं हूँ, मेरी मिसेज है.
I have a wife and 2 sons. My wife doesn't step out of the house on her own, let alone going to a nightclub. I wonder how parents allow their daughters to be out till late night. We try to keep our cool, but sometimes people get drunk and abuse us. Some people come from influential families and it gets very difficult to control them. Then we have to use force. The police also favor them. These rich people don't know the value of hard-earned money.
जो गांव की लाइफ है मैंने बिल्कुल सिंपल.
Life in the village is honest and simple. These modern and educated people are out of touch with their roots.
मैं आज स्पोर्ट करने के लिए ना काफी खर्चा करना पड़ता है.
I am a bouncer, but my passion lies in training the younger generations. My dream is to see them compete at the Olympics one day.